Anyone who's ever sold in the field or has ever started their own company knows the impact of having meaningful support behind you. And that's why we created Integrity, to give leaders just like Eric Hemati the resources that they need to take their agency to the next level.
Hemati Insurance Agency is located in Austin, Texas. We focus on life and health insurance. We don't insure things, we insure people. Kid, he was like, son, the big picture in life is not a self-portrait. It's a human business. It's about that agent living a life of service by helping their clients. I'm super excited to announce that Hemati Insurance Agency is partnering with Integrity.
At Integrity, we are focused on creating more holistic opportunities in our industry, and Eric and his team are leading from the front.
The number one reason for agents being successful in the insurance industry is access to quality leads. What Integrity does is basically take all the guesswork out of that with Integrity's Lead Center. You can literally take a credit card, go on a map, say where you want your leads, and have as many leads as you need anytime you want on tap. It's a game changer for agents.
He's really a tech infrastructure-oriented guy. He is literally salivating to take what Integrity has to offer now that he's a partner.
Being able to tie together all these services, all this technology, how do we take big data and artificial intelligence and link them together? I feel like I'm at the right place at the right time, and let's go.
Our partners and leaders are positioned to help one another grow and expand, and we're excited to come alongside of each other to help us serve even more Americans.
So Eric actually came in here. He had already been in the business for years. He'd been very, very successful. And I remember I said, why are you joining us? He said, I want to be able to help more people. Watch what happens with Eric Hemati's business now that he's partnered with Integrity.
Every motorcycle rider, every biker knows that it's safer when you're in a pack. Being able to roll with industry leaders like the Integrity partners, I couldn't be happier. By far, this is the proudest achievement of my life, and we're just getting started. So, I mean, it's full speed ahead.